Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So today we actually have a bumper with one of my co-workers' cars who ended up totaling his car out. The car doesn't look that bad. The bumper definitely has seen better days though. And if I can get over to this side, I can show you all what I'm about to start doing. So I actually have had for a while now, little plastic welder, and what we're going to do today is all on the tripod. I'll show you all what we got going on here. So, what I like to do is, whenever I'm plastic welding, you want this to be mated as tightly as possible. Alright, so just like so. See? Nice and tight. You don't want any gap. What we'll do is we'll start with that, just getting that crack buttoned, and we'll go to each crack that's here and just slowly button it all up. Tape. This is going to be fun. In reality, stuff like this you usually just want to replace, but when you're on a tight budget, let's see. Probably blocking all of your views. Hold on, bear with me. Oh god, there goes the camera. Okay, right there. That should be a pretty good view. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the time lapse going. We're going to start with getting as much of this together as possible, and then we're going to move on to the rest of the bumper and see how it all comes together. So stay tuned. Hold on a second, YouTube. Oh boy, YouTube. Hey, YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So, I completed the bumper yesterday. Again, it's not perfect, but if y'all would have seen what I had to work with, which wasn't much, this is actually 1,000 times better than what was on the car. And I think overall, it came out pretty well. I could have used some more Bondo. I didn't really have any Bondo. I think I was just using glazing putty last night. So, I made do with what I had. Again, it's not perfect, but honestly, I bet you that all this could just get wet sanded and buffed. Yeah, just about all this, I bet you could get wet sanded and buffed. Either way, tell me what you all think. I mean, I think a vast majority of the hard work is done anyway. So all I gotta do is put that grill in and send it on its way. I also did prime back here as well, just to kind of give, I don't know how much extra rigidity it would really give, but I figured I might as well give it every fighting chance that I can possibly give it after what this poor bumper's been through. It's fair to say that it's already been through a decent amount. And I can tell it seems like it's a replacement. Kappa certified. I don't know, they usually, to me that sounds like a replacement bumper. What do I know? Yeah, I think it is. This is TYB products, so maybe this is a factory bumper. I doubt it though. So it looks like this car has already been through a bumper. It seems like all this is still pretty much in. I guess it's just the middle that. Yeah. Okay. So, give me a second, YouTube. I'm gonna grab. Well, first I'm gonna let my dogs back in. Grab the grill, which is right over here, And then we're gonna stab this all together. Then he's just gonna have to figure out a way to get it back, because this is not gonna fit in my car. There's no way. Alright, stay tuned, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, here we go. Just gonna swing this around. Oh, okay. Careful. Careful. Alright. Somehow I'm gonna pop all these in without breaking this. Hopefully. Oh, there we go. Getting somewhere. Being a bit of a pain. Which is, I guess, kind of expected. Can be, at least. Let's take a look. This is being a little bit of a pain, YouTube. A little bit of a pain. We're getting there. Stand by. Oh boy, YouTube, here we go. Final review. Reveal. Review. Been saying that too much, apparently. There she is. Again, it's not perfect. Honestly, it definitely could have used some Bondo, but considering what I had to do to get all this together, I think it's not too bad. I really don't. I know it's definitely gonna hold, so at least for a bit. And maybe down the line he'll end up with a new bumper or whatever, or just have someone redo the top part. But yeah, that's it, YouTube. Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now.